I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this cute little look that I have installed. We're going to show you how to do it. Super easy, you guys. If you want to know more details about today's install, continue watching. And I always be around when I need some love. Today's hair sponsor is AliGrace Hair. This is actually my second collaboration with them. Super excited to be talking about today's unit. I have installed a 22-inch 4x4 180% density closure wig. Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. I'm gonna use the spray for baby hairs because I really don't want them moving. Once I put them down, I want them to stay in place, girl. So for the rest, we're just gonna go in with some Sharpie and fill in. Girl, I'm just kidding. I'm going to use my little hairpin to hide that little spot there. I wish I could find some baby elastics, but I can't. I think we're gonna do a little twisty style. I think I'm gonna use some gel. I used to do this back in the day. I'm just taking the hair and twisting it onto itself. You guys, this is just on a 4x4 closure wig, so it's not even like that much parting space. I'm adding more baby hairs here because I noticed that I picked up the baby hairs kind of like mid into that braid, that twist. So I'm just trying to make it look symmetrical. So I have installed a 22-inch 4x4 180% density closure wig. This is in the curly texture as a super easy install. This wig is also glueless. You can just put it on and she's ready to go. All we did for this install was bleach the knots prior and let it air dry. 4x4 closure, so it's just right here. So we of course had to do like the pretty intense baby hairs. I did a little twist. It's giving me like 2000 vibes. I did try putting on some of these little clips. It is super cute. Like you could definitely wear clips and do all that, and it can really bring you back to like throwback. For me anyway. I don't know how old you guys are that are watching. I kind of see you guys, a lot of you guys are around the same age group as me, and there's some younger and there's also older. So for me personally, you know, when I was in middle school, I would definitely have worn something like this if I had a lace front wig. Back then we did not, like that just really didn't exist back then. Maybe I would have been rocking this style, super cute. Actually I would wear this without the clips now. So yeah guys, that's what we did. A little twist out, did a little hairspray, really easy, didn't really have to do too much. The density on this wig is beautiful. As you guys saw, I did comb her out. 22 inch, it is definitely going to be stretch length. 22 styled, it's giving me more like a 14 inch, which is okay. It's a curly style. It looks super cute in this length for this style, so I'm actually here for it. I love the curls, very soft, very beautiful. Didn't have to do anything to the curls. Like that's how it dried naturally with just water. I actually didn't put any products in the curls, and yeah, she's definitely giving. You guys, this wig is super cute, super bouncy. I'm gonna show you guys the back real quick. I did comb through her like that. So that's what the back is looking like. I had no issues with the install, the bleaching process, none of that. Everything just worked out really well. I love the density, the hair feels soft, parted. You can even swap it over to the side. You could do all that with this wig. So I definitely recommend. If you guys want to check out AliGrace hair, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description. Leave a comment on your thoughts. Anyways guys, that is the end of this video. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.